Welcome back to Autowondr. Unrivaled presence, unmatched performance. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 redefines what it means to be a luxury off-roader. With its iconic boxy design, enhanced V8 power, and cutting-edge technology, this beast is engineered for those who demand dominance on any terrain without sacrificing sophistication. Experience power, prestige, and pure AMG performance. The 2026 G63 retains its legendary silhouette, but with refined aerodynamics and modern AMG styling. The aggressive Panamericana grille, flared wheel arches, and redesigned LED headlights create a bold presence. New lightweight materials enhance both durability and efficiency, while 22-inch forged AMG wheels and optional carbon fiber accents elevate its dynamic stance. The side-exit AMG Performance exhaust, now with an adjustable tone system, delivers that iconic roar. Available in exclusive Manufaktur colors, the G63 is more striking than ever. With its military-grade DNA, it's not just an SUV, it's a statement of unstoppable power and luxury. Command the road or the wilderness with AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive. Adaptive suspension, advanced terrain response, and AI-driven stability control ensure effortless handling in any condition. A new semi-autonomous driving mode, 360-degree cameras, and night vision assist make urban drives and extreme adventures equally intuitive and secure. Step inside the 2026 AMG G63, where handcrafted luxury meets high-tech innovation. Napa leather sport seats with massage function, AMG-specific digital cockpit, and a Burmester 3D sound system create an exclusive atmosphere. The ambient lighting system, paired with new dual 14-inch curved displays, offers an ultra-modern experience. Under the hood, the 4.0L twin-turbocharged AMG V8 now delivers a staggering 620 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful G63 yet. Paired with an updated 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission, it sprints from 0-60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, blending raw power with refined engineering. Starting at $185,000, the 2026 AMG G63 offers a blend of off-road heritage and modern luxury like no other. For those seeking even more exclusivity, the Edition 1 and G Manufaktur models provide bespoke customizations. Reserve yours today and drive the legend redefined.